If you've been trying to create a brand new Outlook account but keep getting stuck or confused by the steps, don't worry. This video will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. It's simple, fast, and by the end, you'll be fully signed in with your brand new Outlook email. So stay with me because I'm going to make this as easy as possible. First, open your browser and head to the Outlook login page. Once you're there, you'll normally see the sign in button in the center of the screen. Click on it. After that, look to the top right corner and find the profile icon. Click on it and choose the option that says sign in with a different account. This is how you get access to the account creation menu, even if your browser is already remembering older accounts. Now you'll see the Microsoft sign in window. Under the box where it asks you to enter an email or phone number, you'll find the option that says create one. Go ahead and click that. This takes you directly to the new account setup page. Here you can choose your new Outlook email address. Type in your desired username, something professional, clean, or personal, depending on what you're creating the account for. If the name you want is already taken, Outlook will suggest alternatives, or you can try a different one manually. Next, create a strong and secure password. Make sure it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account protected. This is especially important if you plan to use Outlook for work or sensitive information. After that, fill in your personal details, including your full name, country or region, and date of birth. These details help Microsoft verify your identity and secure your account. Once you've entered everything correctly, Outlook may ask you for a quick identity verification. This could be a simple security puzzle, a code sent to your phone, or another small confirmation step. Complete it, and that's it. You're now officially signed into your brand new Outlook account. And that's how easy it is to create a new Outlook account. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more quick and clear tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.